Hello guys, my name is Shivam Singh. So this is a part 3 video, and if you have not watched previous video like part 1 and part 2, then first watch, then you can continue from here. Okay, now what earlier I have done, I had created one menu and given one items name, and when I was clicking there, then you can see I'm unable to migrate because if actually controller value will not found, then it will redirect on our admin page. This is a dashboard page. Okay, so what I need to do next, first of all, again I'm going to our custom module files. So earlier I have created controller file etc file. So in this video I will create schema, that means we'll create database table, and will navigate from that admin menu to our controller path. Okay, so what I need to do, inside controller I have created earlier admin html. Inside that items.php file I have created. So what I need to do next, I have taken here a few codes, like what I need to do inside admin.html, and I will create one more items.php file. Okay, so I will let you know why I will create. So I will create one more folder here, items. Okay, so inside items I will create one index.php file. It is on a correct path, right? See admin html. Okay, fine. Index.php. index.php. Fine. Now I will save this. So this is our index dot. So this controller what will do, so this is a execute method. What earlier I have already told you about that one result payout I have created here, and what I need to do, some set active menu which will show on that particular controller when I will hit, and a title name will test items, and breadcrumbs, and I have added breadcrumbs. Okay, so that only things will do in this controller. Okay, and this will extends whatever I have created items. Okay, so we'll see, and after that this is for what, admin. Okay, so admin html index abstract class items, that I have already created. Now what I need to do, again execute the command. First I will clear all these things. So upgrade command. So upgrade command is executed. Now I am going to execute deployment command. Great. So static content deployment is also executed. Now I will execute cache flush command. Okay, now I will see what will happen here. First of all, I will just reload that site. Okay, so site is reloaded properly. Now I will just click on that menu icon and just click onto the new tab, and now see, this is a controller file, and it is easy to open, and we can see this is our test item. That is nothing but whatever I have created inside the controller and whatever menu titles I have set here. So this config get title and prepend this test items in our Magento to on our controller action. Okay, so what I need to do next, we will create one table using schema. So how we can do that? First of all, I need to create this using this file. This is I will explain each and everything on a detail. Just give me a little time. Okay, now inside we will go our module section. Now whatever we have created inside the module, we need to create one folder, that name is setup. Okay, so inside setup folder we need to create one file. I will save with name install schema.php. Install schema.php. Install schema.php. After that, I will save all these codes. I will explain everything on brief. Okay, so this is our show dummy and setup. This is our root directory, and what we will do that when we are working with the schema. So we are using these classes like install schema interfaces, module context interfaces, and schema setup interfaces, right? And we have given the name install schema, and we are implement with this. They are implementing using install schema interface. So inside the public we are using install method, and we have given few arguments: setup interface and module contact interface. So when we are always we are working with schemas, then inside the argument we have to give. So using installer we are just given the name $setup, and we need to start setup and end setup. Okay, and a table name. So we are just creating a new table. So installer get connection and using new table. So we can give this new table name, and we can give individual column, all the column which I need to create inside the table. So we can give like dummy underscore id using Magento framework dbdl, and that instance will create for a column, and that type integer, that integer value should be integer. So I have given the identity unassigned, true, that should be boolean, nullable, and primary. Okay, so I will save this. For that I need to again execute the upgrade command. We will see in a terminal, and again again execute the command. So our upgrade command has executed successfully. Now I will see our table is created or not in the database. So again just reload the table localhost. So here I will see need to check shubh. I will see now you can see the table has been created. Okay, so that table was already there, and we have just given the name and all these things earlier. Okay, so hopefully you understand all these things. What I will need to do next, I will explain in upcoming videos. Okay, so please watch all these videos, so for better clarity. We will see what we need to do in our next video. Thank you so much, guys.